If you've ever stared at a campaign that's underperforming and thought, something here isn't working, I just don't know what, you're not alone. The problem is, testing every idea one by one is slow, messy, and often driven by opinions instead of data. That's where A/B testing saves the day. It lets you compare variations side by side, understand what your audience actually responds to, and make decisions backed by evidence, not guesswork. But once you start running real tests, things can get messy. That's where ClickUp helps bring experiments, tracking, and insights into one organized workspace. So in this video, we'll look at some cool A/B testing examples and see how tools like ClickUp can help you run your own tests with ease. But first, let's understand what A/B testing is. A/B testing is basically a comparison test. You create two versions of the same thing, show them to different groups, and measure which one performs better. It matters because it removes guesswork. It lets you see what your audience likes and make smarter decisions based on real data and boost conversions. Now let's see what it looks like in the real world. Take World Wildlife Federation, for example. They wanted more people to sign up for their newsletter, and the old sign-up page wasn't cutting it. Instead of redesigning the entire page, they tested two small changes, adding a preview of the newsletter and adjusting the placement of the CTA. Those minor tweaks made the value clearer to visitors, resulting in an 83% increase in signups. Then there is ShopClues. They noticed users were clicking heavily on navigation links but weren't converting. By A/B testing changes to their homepage navigation, moving the wholesale button, and swapping in other categories to guide visitors more directly to product pages, they achieved a 26% jump in visits to orders. And finally, MailerLite. This team wanted to settle the age-old debate. Do people like flashy, buzzwordy subject lines, or do they just want it straight? They ran a test, sending out both styles and tracking which got more clicks. The verdict? Clear and simple won the day. So yes, A/B testing works wonders, but running it properly is where most teams struggle. So let's break down 5 steps for foolproof A/B testing. Before you test anything, you need real data. That's step 1. Start by collecting data from high-traffic pages and focus on areas where people drop off or bounce. You can then use ClickUp docs to collect and organize insights from heat maps, session recordings, and surveys to spot what's not working. Once you have the data, the next step is to decide what you want to improve. Your hypothesis should clearly state the problem, suggest a specific change, and explain the impact you expect. On ClickUp, this has become easy with ClickUp docs. Clearly write out your hypothesis, expected changes, and impact. You can also use ClickUp Brain, your inbuilt AI assistant, to draft or refine your hypothesis for clarity and focus. With your hypothesis ready, the next step is to create different versions by changing things like button color, website copy, or CTA placement. That's where the ClickUp A/B testing template comes in. It lets you plan and document each version you want to test, and helps you visualize changes and manage assets with list view or board view. Now it's time to run the test. Launch the experiment and split visitors randomly between the control version and the variation. This is where precision matters. Too many moving parts can make tests hard to manage. In ClickUp, you can organize workflows using list and board views, plan timelines using calendar and timeline views, and manage details with custom fields and statuses. Using ClickUp automations, teams can automatically update task statuses as tests move from live to monitoring to ready for analysis. This reduces manual follow-ups and keeps everyone aligned on test progress without extra meetings. Finally, wait and analyze these results. Let the test run its course. You can use ClickUp reminders to get notified once the results are in. You can review how each version performed and check for statistical significance. Then, use those insights to guide your next tests. Instead of digging through spreadsheets or screenshots, teams can use ClickUp dashboards to visualize key metrics like conversion rate, click-through rate, or engagement, all in one place. Dashboards make it easier to spot winners, compare variations, and share insights with stakeholders in real time. You can also use ClickUp Brain to summarize results, generate reports, and suggest next steps. And with ClickUp Chat, teams can discuss results directly alongside the test task, turn insights into follow-up actions, and automatically summarize conversations for stakeholders who weren't involved day to day. Those were the 5 steps and real-world examples of A/B testing. And when it comes to actually running those tests, ClickUp is where everything comes together. From planning experiments and tracking variations, to analyzing results and sharing learnings with your team. If you want to keep your A/B testing organized and easy to scale, sign up for free today at ClickUp.com.